everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Louise and I blog over at mymodelmummy.com. I also have a camping website called campingandcruising.com. A really good idea today to film a video and show you what I will be packing for my daughter for an upcoming school trip, and that is called PGL. PGL is a trip here in the UK that primary schools usually go on, transition their children from primary school to middle school or secondary school. Quite a few schools go on this trip so that the children can make new friends, they can do a bit of team building work, they can also get used to staying away from home. I thought it'd be useful if I showed you what we're thinking about packing for PGL. I am not going to pack for my daughter, she's going to do that herself, but I'm just going to show you a few of the bits that really are the essentials. For PGL you should have been given a list. This video will also benefit you if you're sending your kids away to a summer camp. It will also benefit you if you're sending your kids on a brownies camping trip, a girl guys camping trip, scouts, cubs. Your kids are leaving home for the weekend or maybe longer, then this video will help you decide what to pack. It will give you some ideas of how to pack, and it will just give you a little bit of reassurance that you've packed the right things for your child, with your child, and you've packed them in the most organised way as possible to make everyone's life easier when your children are away from home. The organisation that my daughter is going on this activity holiday with has sent a list to the school, and the school has provided parents and children with a copy of this list for PGL. My advice is to stick to the list. First of all, I'm going to show you a packing hack which I've recently discovered, and I think it's going to make it a lot easier for my daughter to be away and just grab what she needs when she's at PGL. I went on to Amazon and I bought a pack of these bags. I've got a feeling there may be 10 there, but all I did was Google shoe bags. I thought it would be a good idea if I put my daughter's clothes for each individual day in an individual bag. So I'll link a description below to these shoe bags. I think they come in black, white or blue, and there's plenty here. They are quite big. They are drawstring bags, so when you put your item in there you can just close it up. They've got a nice clear see-through section on the bottom so you can see what's in there. I bought one of these embosser. It's like a label maker. I'm so excited to use it today. It's the name of the day on the bag, so when Olivia is at PGL she can literally just take this out of her rucksack, know that she's got all the clothes she needs for her activities that day. She can get dressed, and then in the evening she can just throw all her dirty clothes in this one little sack and put it back in her rucksack. This label maker was also from Amazon. It's the Dymo label maker. It's called an embosser, so I'll also link that below. And I've decided I'm just going to label up the bags as day 1 and day 2. It only needs 2 changes of outfits. 1. And then there's actually a cutter. See, there's a pair of scissors here. I'm not sure if you can see that. And I'm going to cut it. Cut it. Oh, you have to press a bit harder to cut it. Yay, I'm really pleased with that. Day 1. So here's my daughter's drawstring bags ready to go, and I will get her to fill them with the outfits that she requires and what she wants to wear on the day. Another packing tip which I thought might come in useful for you to know is that rather than sending your children with big heavy duty torches that they're going to have to carry, I've brought these lightweight torches. They're by Everbrite and they're from Amazon. I actually brought 4 of them and I'm going to send 2 along just in case the batteries run out in one evening. She might leave it on all night and the batteries might run out, then she's got a spare for the second night. I'm sure 1 will be enough, but I'll send 2 just in case, and they really are lightweight. With making these videos, these torches were reduced to £10 on Amazon. I think their normal price was about £17, and they are really good torches. We've used them before for camping, and they're the ones with just a little click button at the bottom, so they're really easy to use and they're really easy to turn on and off. I'm just going to say that when you do buy these, the batteries come included, and all you do is unscrew the top and take out the little plastic insert that's in there protecting the battery. It says on her packing list to take indoor shoes and outdoor shoes, but one of the days she's got water activities. We got these last year, so they're by Crane and they are water shoes basically. They're a bit dirty because she's had loads of use out of them. On that particular day they also did some rock climbing, so these were just so good for grip and whilst being in the water, and they dry really easily. Like I said, they're by Crane, and I actually got these from Aldi here in the UK, and they were really inexpensive. I think they were a few pounds each, so if you do see them in Aldi anytime soon, which I'm sure you will, I'd grab a few pairs of those for a few quid. Even like next year's size, they always come in handy to have. And my last tip is to send thin layers rather than big thick jumpers that your kids have to carry. If you send thin lightweight layers, it's easier for them to carry in their rucksack. If they want to take it off and they get too hot, they can tie it around their waist without feeling the extra weight. And these do keep your kids warm. As long as they're fleecy, you know that they'll be warm if they need them. Whilst we're waiting for Olivia to jump on this video and show you how she's going to pack and what she's going to pack, I'll just go through a few of the essentials that she actually needs to pack rather than what she's going to choose. I feel like I have to be involved with some of the packing for the weekend, because I don't want her rolling up to PGL on a wet and rainy day in a pair of cycling shorts and a t-shirt. So she does need some of those bare essentials, and on here on this rail I have got some things that you might think, oh yeah, I need to grab some of them, that'll really come in handy. And I will be name tagging all of her clothes, only because I mean, I've got nothing that's too expensive here. I'm not going to send any expensive items, but if things are lost, it's just easier for the teachers and the staff at PGL to hand them back to its owner. So I'm going to be name tagging everything that Olivia takes, including her sleeping bag and her bag. Olivia has this rucksack which she's taken. She actually got this last year for her birthday. We put it on her birthday list because she does lots of camping trips with me. She's due to do some camping trips with the Brownies, and she stayed away before on some activity holidays. So this rucksack was from Amazon. It is a kid's rucksack, but actually it's really spacious, it's really roomy. We love it. The reviews were amazing for it, by the way. We love it because it's got lots of pockets. It's also got padding, clips so they can tie it around their waist. In the top section there is a waterproof rain cover, so if your child is trekking or camping and she needs to put her rucksack down, she can get the waterproof rain cover and put it over the top. The Puck 10, I think the colour when I ordered it was coral, but it's by this company here, Vord. I have to buy a new waterproof jacket, but she has had this one before. She had it in pink, and she grew out of it last year, so we went to replace it and we got this one from Go Outdoors, and we got it in blue. I really like it because it's got a little sun cap kind of on the hood. It's got a lightweight mesh liner, which means it'll keep her cool because she gets quite hot. And like I said before, if you're layering up with layers, you can put a thin fleece underneath these jackets and it's still not too hot. Really important, I'm going to send Olivia to PGL with her waterproof trousers, because the days that she is doing the water activities, or if it's raining, she can just put her waterproof trousers over a pair of cycling shorts or leggings, and then she can take them off when she's finished getting wet or she's been in the mud. These waterproof trousers, and they're from Go Outdoors, got buttons at the bottom so you can clip them up so the water doesn't get up her legs. A great idea I had when Olivia is getting dressed for the day is to layer up with thermals. Top is from Decathlon. Prices were just so good. I did get her a bright pink one also, which is somewhere packed away upstairs, but they've got a little fleecy lining and they're really thin, so that would keep them warm under their jacket, for instance. They might just want to wear that on its own, or they might want to wear it under a single fleece. Some leggings, so you could actually use these as pyjamas. They are really thin, but they're quite warm too. Talk about sleeping bags. I got this sleeping pod from Go Outdoors recently as well. This was reduced to £19, which was a massive, massive saving. The sleeping pod, for a reason. It comes with a hood, it's nice and warm, it's compact, it comes in this bag. She actually slept in it already the other night under her bed, under her cabin bed, and she found it really warm and she really liked it. So these are £19 at the moment from Go Outdoors. So without further ado, let's grab Olivia and get into that packing video.
Hi, I'm Olivia and I'm packing for PGL. The first thing I'm going to do is cut all of these tags off my new clothes. I'm going to pack all my clothes in these different bags for each day. This is the toiletry bag where I'm going to be putting torches and my bathroom stuff. So, in 2 torches, my pyjamas, and
what's in your toiletry bag?
My toothbrush and some tissues, suncream and a hairbrush.
Suncream, that's important.
And lip gloss.
And your lip gloss. And these are spares, aren't they? What spares? We gave you a spare t-shirt and a spare thermal top. So you can put them in with your toiletries. That's it. And then pull your drawstrings nice and tight. And that'll just fit in your backpack. So that's bag 1. This is your day 1 at PGL. It's the day that you're doing your water sports. So I've put your water shoes in there. So what else have you got? These are important. Do you remember what these are?
Waterproof trousers.
Yeah.
This is just a t-shirt.
Yeah, it's a long sleeve top.
And then a jumper.
That's a lightweight fleece.
Yeah.
So if you want to take it off and you get too hot, you can just kind of wrap it around or just take it off. And then leggings and your waterproof trousers and socks, which have already gone in there with your undergarments. So do your drawstring up then for day 1. Alright, and day 2 you've basically got the same, just a different outfit of the same things, a long sleeve top, a lightweight fleece, leggings and socks.
I've got 3 bags that have my clothes in and my stuff, so it will be easier to get clothes on and brush my teeth and stuff at PGL. Now I need to transfer it into my bag.
I really hope all the children that are going to PGL have a wonderful, wonderful time, and don't worry mums, we've got this.